So hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I come back with a new amazing token. In this token I am going to tell you one how you can make a best investment and how you can earn profit by using this token. Let's start the video. Before starting the video, I request my love viewers and subscribers, please like this video and also share with your friends so your friends can also get benefit by using this token. This token name is OMNI Trading and its market cap is around 4.4 million. In my previous video I already told you this token will pump with the high numbers. You can see that it's increased by 6.47% within a 24 hours. In my previous video, just the token market was about 2 point something million. Now its market is around 4.4 million. In the down we can see that easily the pump of this token, the token price and market cap is gone up by 1.6 million to direct 4.4 million, and now it increasing day by day. Now I go down, and after going down you can see that the price of this token is that, and the total market volume of 24 hours is 8.2k dollar, and you can see that it increasing about 1.0% within the hours, and you can check all this here. You can also change this token details here. Here you can see that I just changed this candles into a 15 seconds and many more other options such as around about. I can also change into this 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, but I use this 5 minutes to compute this and check the balance of this. You can see that this is the now bullish market here. Now you can see that the market is going down, and after this you can see that you can check about easily here that 4.4 million is the now net market value of this token. In the down I just go down, and after going down you can see that some other options are also available. For the option of where you can see that check comments, and you can also check live with Oscar also websites. You have just copy link, and after link you can check that their daily. This is the only live with Oscar site. Here you can check that the online Omni Online Trading Academy. Welcome to the Omni Online Trading Academy. The online trading academy professional trading spans has far back as 1982. 39 year of experience that provide about the market experience trainer flash updates live with trading rooms. And in the down you can see that who is Oscar and professional experienced and professional trader that work in this market around for 39 years. And here is the some short list summary about this 1400 professional trained personal students and 35 years of experience, 10 plus media channels and shop as professionalism. In the downs you can see that some membership offer plans are also available. First is the free plan. In just you can see that leverage about 24/7 access to insight from the expert with updates on 2-day top stocks. Join a community of traders with access to a live message board. Accelerate the growth of your portfolio by picking up the brain of 35-year market veteran and claim historical Omni insights. But in platinum plan there is something very special. All benefits of free plan and also access to the current Omni and live flash update via pop-up message and emails and live Omni insights. But a professional plan has something more best options than a platinum. All the benefits of platinum membership mean these all benefits are included in this professional plans. And in the down you can see that first in the down you can see that $100 discount for a 3-month subscriptions. And in down you can see that trader reviews. You can check that these are reviews easily just taking its reload. I just wait for it. In the down you can check here these are their reviews. You can check it out these reviews here. Check that everyone has around 5 to 4.5 ratio rating on this site. And in the down you can check other options. There are also blog option available. In the blog portion you can check all the things related to blogging and related to this market. Now I go back to the omni trade option. There you can see that here is the option you can buy this token. Such as I already told you, the price of this token is around 0.0044 691. Now I'm going to show you how you can buy this token, and this one is the address. You just have to copy, but before buying, you for buying option you need to follow some basic features. And here you can see that for buying and selling option you need to first of all create account on this, such as I already created account on this pump.fun site. And after you just need to check here, click on this view wallet, and then you need to deposit some amount in this account. You can deposit amount with just a simple wallets by using your trust wallet, Binance and many other wallets you can use to deposit in this site. After depositing in this site and this platform, you just need to buy this token with the simple options, such as I just click on this sol option. Now I just put here 0.5 sol amount, and with 0.5 sol I can buy easily a 9120 omni tokens. If I just hold it for around 1 month and 2 months, then its market is going bullish day to day. You can check here, this market is going bullish day to day, and you can check this pump from this 4.2 million to 4.4 million. And I hope I will get a maximum profit on this side. And you can also get the maximum information about this trading live by this option, such as I just showed you. Just take as a moment. I refresh this site so I can give you the latest information about this token. Now you can see that here easily these are the all clips related to. Just I click on this view all options. You can check that this is the sitting here hiring another set of influencer Friday third attempt. You can check Omni Trading Academy maximum news and maximum analysis analyst that provide you maximum analysis regarding this opening token. And there is also a channel available, Oscar Carboni Omni Trading Academy. Here it upload maximum videos related to market. If you need any assistance regarding market and you need some knowledge about market, you can need just to subscribe this channel, and after subscribing this channel you need to just watch this video, and after watching this video also you can become a get maximum information about this channel. And also here is the some another news by BitBoss officials. Omni is building a serious momentum, a powerful community driven token with a stacking rewards and strong leadership behind it. Still early with huge upside potential, led by Wall Street future veteran Oscar Carboni with 40 plus years of market experience. Massive growth of community stacking rewards for holder, 300 holder, 4 million market cap, built for long term growth, and also available on Coinbase. This token is also now available on Coinbase. That one is very amazing news, and with this news the market volume of this will increase with a massive number, because now it is now trading on about two main sites. One is pump.fun and second one is Coinbase. That is a very good news. And in the down you can see that this is the DEX. I click on this DEX option. Now I show you this DEX. You can check here, this is also listed on DEX screener, and you can check that the price of this and the liquidity and total market volume, market cap, and you can check that liquidity here. And this is their transaction records regarding this. You can check out there easily. This one is a one view trading options that provide the graph of this token. In the down you can see that all the transaction records regarding around 23 minutes ago, $80 trade um, to buy a 17,965 tokens, and around 30 minutes 140 $140 trade. You can check these all trading are running on this site, and today volume out this site is around 8.4k dollar. And in the down you can see that some other, it is also available on DEX, pump.fun, Coinbase, and other options. And this is the token sorry, this is the official Twitter of this Omni Trading token. You can just go and also follow this token. I also following this. And in the down you can get a maximum news about this. You can check that this is the pump graph of this. You can see that new video regarding this. You can just go to channel and watch this. These are the one day stop run does not mean it's over. You can check that capitalization and day and ops and different, they just mark this, and marketer can easily understand this tables and informations. You just go and follow this also channel so you can become official member of this site. I hope you get a maximum information about this token and you will also invest on this. Take care and goodbye.